Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix headphones only work in one ear in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, search here mmsys.cpl. So search mmsys.cpl. Open this setting. Now here select headphone or speaker which are you using. Then properties. Here click on level, click on balance and make sure in both one left and right is same. Like this, make it same in left and right, then click on OK. And also guys, if you have enhancement tab here, so disable all enhancements, then click on OK. Again click on OK.